Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to view and manage your block list in the Messages app on your phone. If you've ever wondered how to check which numbers you've blocked or want to unblock someone, this video will guide you clearly and quickly. First, open the Messages app on your phone. Once the app is open, click on the three-line menu at the top left corner. Next, scroll down and click on Settings. After that, select Blocker Settings from the options available. Then click on Block List. Here, you will see your block list, which contains all the numbers you have previously blocked. If you want to unblock any number, simply tap the unblock icon next to the number you wish to remove from the list. This action will immediately allow that contact to send you messages again. It's easy to manage your block list and control who can reach you in the Messages app. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips on managing your phone apps.